what's up producers? In this Ableton Live 11 tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use a high-pass filter to create an engaging intro, craft smooth transitions, and pave the way for explosive build-ups just like those in your favorite tracks in Techno Pro. If you've been following along with my previous tutorials, your track should be shaping up and the arrangement view should look something like this. Today we're taking it up a notch, and after this tutorial you'll be a pro at drawing automations. Let's have a listen. You will understand why a high-pass filter could be your secret weapon. It's crucial for capturing your listeners' attention. You can hear how much energy and excitement this adds to a track. Feel free to download this Ableton project along with the kick samples from my website. It's completely free, and if you're enjoying this content, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any of my upcoming tutorials. I'm always interested in your feedback, so drop a comment below and let me know what you think or what you'd like to see in future videos. Now let's set up that filter. In the audio effects section, find the EQ8 and drag it onto the group that contains your low end. Select the high-pass filter for filter 1 and press A to open up the automation lane. Set the cutoff frequency at 30 Hz for a clean mix, and let's begin with the intro. In the reference track, the 4-measure introduction feels a bit long, and I've decided to shorten it to 2 measures. For the first measure, I will gradually introduce my low end, and in the second measure, I will hold the filter at around 220 Hz to build anticipation. For the drop, automate the cutoff frequency to decrease rapidly. This sudden reduction in high frequencies always creates a powerful impact, and there is something important I'd like to show you here, so let's have a closer look. The first thing you'll notice is that my drop doesn't begin with the main kick at the start of the next scene. Instead, it starts with the rumble, which is actually another kick sample. This sample is placed at the very end of the current scene, precisely a quarter of a beat before the next scene begins. The second is that I use the curve to refine the automation, resulting in a drop that sounds less harsh and more natural. And now for your transitions, you can apply the same technique. You can use curves to automate the cutoff frequency to increase rapidly for your next build at the end of a scene, and the drop to introduce the next, ensuring a seamless transition. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow electronic music creators. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips on creating electronic music with Machina and complete control in Ableton Live. Until next time, keep the beats banging.